Stop doing self-improvement. Seriously. Because if you skip this one step, all your habits, routines, and productivity hacks are just fancy procrastination. I learned this the hard way. I kept trying new morning routines, new books, new secret methods, but nothing stuck. I was busy every day, but my life wasn't changing at all. Then someone told me the truth. You're building habits on top of a broken identity. And it hit me. I didn't even know who I was trying to become. I had goals, but I had no identity blueprint. So here's the step you must do before any self-improvement. Define your future identity in one sentence. Not goals, not habits. Just one line like, I'm the type of person who shows up even when I don't feel like it. Or, I'm the type who chooses deep work over distractions. Once I made that one identity shift, my habits finally clicked. Everything felt aligned, automatic. Self-improvement only works after identity improvement. Fix the root, the habits follow. Like and subscribe for more videos.